Hi guys, welcome to Perfect Lean Body and welcome to beautiful legs workout. So we will be working on our legs, we will be working on our glutes. It's gonna be amazing. Only 4 exercises and each of them for 1 minute. Please like it, share it, subscribe, and let's go for it. It's all body weight, Pilates style, which I love, so let's do this together. First we start, lift up your hips up and down, and you keep your heels close to your butt, and as you lift, you squeeze your glutes. So you go down and up, down and up, down and up, and as you go up, squeeze your glutes, and it's gonna be for 1 minute. And only 4 exercises, and you can do this one at home or in the gym. So let's go up and down, up and down. Squeeze your glutes, squeeze it, up and down, up and down, and you do amazing. We have 15 seconds left, and let's go up and down, up and down, up and down. 5 seconds left. Perfect, amazing. Second exercise, you lift up your glutes and you will be alternating knees in, alternating legs. Okay, so keep your core tight. Your glutes are squeezed, and let's go in for 1 minute. In. 1 minute. Perfect. We have 30 seconds left. Keep your core tight, keep your glutes tight, squeezed. Excellent job. After this workout, you will definitely feel your glutes. It will help you to reduce your cellulite if you do have some. We have 5 seconds left. Perfect. Another exercise, and it's gonna be a killer. You keep the legs straight, you squeeze your glute, and you drop your hips up and down for 1 minute. So you will definitely feel your glutes and your thighs for 1 minute. And little movement is okay. You want to contract your glutes. Perfect. And let's go up and down. We have 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. Up and down, up and down. Keep your core tight. And let's go. You do amazing. I see you. And we have 15 seconds left. Perfect. 10 seconds left. 5 more. 3, 2, last one. Amazing. Now you switch the leg, and I know you feel it. I do too. Let's go up and drop your hips up and down for 1 minute. And let's go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. We have about 40 seconds left. I love Pilates style because it is very gentle for your back. It is amazing for your glutes, for your legs, for your overall body and your health. 20 seconds left, and let's go squeeze your glutes as you are up. Keep your core tight. We have 10 seconds left. Up and down, up and down. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, and last one. Amazing. And this is it. So this was just 4 minutes, and I tell you, it was amazing. I feel it. You can do this one in the morning or in the evening. It's absolutely perfect. Check out my other workouts, Perfect Lean Body workouts. Check out my Get Ready for Bikini, and have a beautiful day. I will see you in my workouts. Bye.